Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete a measure in Power BI. So let's start. So let's say you've created a DAX measure in Power BI and you decide to delete it. I've got this visual here just to show what will happen when we delete a measure. On the right hand side you can see the two measures which are used by this. So if I go onto these three dots and click on them, it gives me the option to delete. So I go ahead and delete one, and so you can see that because the visual is using both of them, so I'll have to remove this measure from the visuals wherever this visual, whichever visuals are using that measure. So I think a better option is to edit a visual if you're able to do it. Or if you decide to delete a measure, make sure that you do a decent impact analysis of all the visuals which might be using a particular measure before you publish it into a production environment. So in this video, we've learned how to essentially delete a measure, a DAX measure in Power BI, and what could be the repercussions that if there are other visuals which are hinging off that DAX measure, they might just give you an error, and you don't want that. So you might want to do a deep impact analysis as to what are the various visuals which are being impacted. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.